What's going on, bro? Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself and you're grinding out there. Now in this video I'm gonna share 3 quick tips on how you can master self-discipline. So without wasting your time, let's dive into the video. Self-discipline is the ability to make yourself do what you have to do whether you feel like it or not. Self-discipline, it is like a muscle. The more you work on developing it and using it, the stronger it will become. Number 1, remind yourself of your why. We know that highly successful people maintain aim and purpose. These people stay so self-disciplined by remembering the underlying reasons for what they do. And when you remember why you're working, it becomes a lot easier to stay on track. Number 2, get an accountability partner. Someone who knows your goals will help you stay focused. Also, you can share your goals with someone who shares the same goals and ambitions as you. That way, you can check on each other periodically to make sure that you are on track. Number 3, eat that frog. Now there's a whole book based on this topic by an author, Brian Tracy, which I highly recommend. Now to put it simple, eat that frog simply means that you tackle your hardest tasks first. If you start off your day by eating the frog, then other tasks will feel like a breeze in comparison. It will not only help you stay on track and be self-disciplined, but also you'll enjoy the rest of your day. Those were the 3 quick tips for you guys to develop and master self-discipline. Now if you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate every single one of you. I release videos like this every Monday and every Thursday and you don't want to miss them. I'll talk to all of you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay focused and keep grinding.